Hello and welcome to Elvatech's YouTube channel. In today's video, we will show you how to connect a portable Bluetooth printer to the ProSpector 3 analyzer and print measurement results on the spot. Whether you're working in the field, on a production line, or in a jewelry shop, having a compact printer connected to an analyzer makes documentation faster and way easier, right where you need it. So first you need to know about this function, that you should have it activated on your device. Otherwise, that would be impossible. And for all this information, you can contact our managers and they will give you an advice on it. And now let's unpack our printer. So we have a few of them in our stock and also can supply you with them as additional option. But basically we using such a small printers which really portable and really effective. Well, let's see what we have inside the box. We have some hose to connect our printer to power cord. Here it is, right? But we will not use them right now because this printer can work with its own battery built-in. Right, so let's start it. Oh, yeah, we need to press until, yeah, that sound. And now we need to make appropriate settings on our device. So first of all, we need to go to Options, press Settings, and then you can choose Printing here. As soon as the Printing setting window pop up, you can see that we have here a few options. And to connect the printer via Bluetooth, we just need to check it here, make appropriate settings for it, check Bluetooth, and now we can connect our Bluetooth, our device to our printer. So all we need to do here is press Search, wait a bit, and now you can see its name. It's RPP200. Just select this one. And the pin would be just a regular, it's 1111, so 4 digits of number 1. Alright. Now it should be connected. And yes, we have it. Alright, so just close this window. And now here you have a few options. First of all, we have the option of print the result automatically after each measurement, which could be really good if you're working on a B2C market and you need this for your client. So yeah, and let's activate this option. Automatically print each performed measurement. And also, you can store a few copies for it. For example, if you need to have one for your customer and one for yourself, this is what you can do here. Just select the amount of copies. Let's click it too. All right. And here, now we are good to go. And next, let's just start our measurement. All right. So we will see how actually it works in real life. Let's just put our, this is just a basic sample, our calibration sample to check the calibration, and select alloys without light elements, right? Let's check the duration time, because 5 seconds would be enough. Here we have ambitions for 1 second, it's really cool, but let's just check it for 5 seconds. So we have two analysis results here, and one you can store for yourself, another one you can just issue to your customer. So it was the function of automatic printing. But if you don't need that and you need to print your result only on a special occasion, we will set these settings. So let's go back to our main menu of calibrations, and here again go to settings, then printing. Alright, here we just unsign the mark of automatic printing, and we will keep don't print graphics. So basically that's all we need to do now. Then press OK, agree to the settings, and let's go back to our calibration. We basically have the same result, so we don't need to measure it, right? And all you need to do to make a custom printing, manual printing, you just need to select options, and the very last position on the bottom you can see print. That's what you need to press, and right after that you will see the screen loading, and here we go. This is how you can print your asset manually. So that was an option for you if you work somewhere on a field or on distant locations where you definitely need to have the portable one. But if you work in your office or laboratory, you can use just a regular printer for A4 format of paper, and that's gonna be really easy. Check this out. We go back to the options on the main screen, on the main menu, options, settings, printing, and here on where the marked printer, we can choose not the Bluetooth but network connection. And after that you can just press 3 dots, and here you will need to bring just a bit of settings here. First of all, you need to include the IP address of the network that you are using, and then just the name of port, the number of port, where you can find it on the back of your printer or on the side. Different printers has its own features and markings, so you can choose, you can get all this information from your printer. Just press it, just pin it here, and then you can select the model of your printer, which can be popped up here also. Alright, after you're done with all of that, you press OK button, and then after your device will be connected to a regular printer, all results that you will print here will pop up on your printer. As you've seen, pairing a portable Bluetooth printer with your ProSpector 3 is quick and easy, and it brings even more flexibility to your workflow. If you have any questions or want to learn more about our analyzers and accessories, feel free to reach out to our team. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell so you will never miss a new tutorial on update from Elvatech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next videos.